Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for Kids. So today I am going to show you how to draw Wednesday Addams from the movie The Addams Family. So let's see, we're going to start with a big oval. Her head is a real big oval shape. And then in the middle, we're going to do two other ovals. Okay, and then these are going to be our eyes. I'm going to do straight line there, straight line here, and then almost an oval, but it's going to be like a U. We'll color that in black. And then same thing over here. A U, we'll color that U in black. Yeah. So we've got her eyes done. Now we're going to give her eyebrows. So above her eyes, we're going to do one line here, just a straight line, and same over on the other side. Okay. Now, just under her eyes and in between, we're going to give her little nose. So we're going to give like two little nostrils. They almost look like seeds. Two little nostrils. And then a little side of her nose there. And the other side of her nose there, like little brackets. Okay? Now we're going to give her a little mouth. Now, I don't think Wednesday Addams does very much smiling, so we're not going to give her a smile. We're going to give her almost like another eyebrow. It's just a little straight line, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so now she needs hair. So we're going to start all the way up here at the top of her head again, and I'm going to draw a small straight line going down here in the middle. That's going to be the middle of her hair. And from this part, we're going to go down, and it's going to get closer and closer to the side of her face here. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, it's going to get closer and closer to the side of her face there. Now, going to give her a neck. So she wears almost like it's like a collar. So I'll do a straight line here. And then we're going to come down. Same on the other side. And then I'm going to start here in the middle. And I'm not going to draw anything yet. I'm just going to place my pencil right here in the middle and then make almost a triangle. Okay, a triangle without the bottom part. And then we're going to draw straight, connect that there, and same on this side. So now she's got her collar, the collar of her shirt. Now we're going to give her her pigtail braids. So let's see, I'm going to make a shape like that. And one on the other side. These are very similar to the little like brackets that we made by her nose here. Connect that there. So now we're going to do another one. Another one. Another one. She's got pretty long hair, so we can do a whole bunch. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side. So shape like that. And then the other side connected there to the back of her head. And then do it again. And another one. I'm going all the way down so that it matches the length of her hair on her other side. Okay, and there we're going to go straight line, and then a straight line down, another straight line down, and then a straight line across. So we make a little box. So this is going to be like her hair tie. So what keeps her braids and her pigtails there in place. And then at the bottom of that, we'll put another little bit of hair. Okay, so now we're going to give her her shoulders. So we can't draw it right here because that's where her hair is. So right here, we're going to start rounding the corners here and go down. Okay, I'll connect it a little bit here on the other side. And we'll do the exact same over here. Okay, round it, down, 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 down. Okay, and now we are going to get our markers. All right, so now we're going to do our coloring, and we only need 2 markers. So we've got a black and a gray. So I'm going to start with my darkest marker, my black, and go over all the lines we drew. Now, I was thinking we only need 2 markers, but I'm actually going to grab another marker too. I'm going to grab a dark gray. All right, so with my dark gray marker, I'm going to color in her outfit. Now, I believe her outfit is actually black, but the reason why I'm coloring it in dark gray instead of black is because her hair is also black. And so if her outfit was black and her hair was black, it would all blend in and we wouldn't be able to tell the difference. We wouldn't be able to know what's hair and what's outfit. So that's why I'm doing the outfit a dark gray. And it still looks like a color she would wear. She doesn't wear color at all. So I think she would still wear this for sure. And then we can tell the difference between what's hair and what's clothing. So with the light gray marker, I'm going to color her eyelids. And I'm also going to color her little hair ties this color gray. And now with the darkest color, the black marker, color in her hair. Alright, so I'm just going over some other spots in this darker color here. Making sure her hair is all nice and dark and black. And there we go. We've got Wednesday Addams. So everybody, thank you very much for joining me in drawing Wednesday Addams. I hope you had fun drawing, and I hope to see you again now for our next Daily Doodle tomorrow. All right, have fun drawing. Bye.